Hi everyone, and welcome to SIC Forex. I hope everyone is having a successful trading week. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. In this video, we'll review the 4 weeks of trading activity of the free expert advisor, Dark Venus. Dark Venus is a scalping expert advisor for MetaTrader, and we've been running it for the past 4 weeks on a FPS real account in the live market. Now what I've done on the hourly, I have separated the 4 weeks and marked them so that we can analyze when the expert advisor did well and when it did poorly. So if we select the results for the last month, you'll see that we had a loss of $119.99. Now, this doesn't mean I'm going to stop trading the expert advisor because of a little bit of drawdown. However, we need to look at the statistics of what the expert advisor did during this 4-week period. Those of you joining us for the first time, I've been trading the Dark Venus live on this account since the 23rd of August until the 16th of September. Now that we have the results here, for those of you who joined us previously, we're going to export the results into our trading journal. Now, the trading journal is a great way for new traders to keep track of their trading progress. So here we have our trade history report that I exported from my MetaTrader 5. So as you can see, we started the experiment on the 23rd of August and we did it until the 16th of September. Now, 16th of September. In total, we had 56 trades placed by Dark Venus for a gross profit of 151. Now what I did is I did conditional formatting on the profit cells. The reason I did this so that we have a color indication of what Dark Venus was able to do in the past 4 weeks. You'll see that Dark Venus took 2 big losses, and that is the reason why the account is currently in drawdown. Next, I added an if formula so that if the amount is higher than 0, it is a win, and then lower than 0, a loss. Dark Venus had a win rate of 53.57% during the 4-week test. I know a lot of people think that a high or a low win rate is the only important thing to a system. However, even if a system has a high win rate, but a small take profit and a large stop loss, it doesn't necessarily mean it's a good system. Now that we have the 4 weeks results, we can actually look at what were our average trades, what was the average loss, what was the win rate of the system, and what was the balance drawdown. Now the absolute balance drawdown was $170.66, a gross profit of $151.47, and a gross loss of $271.46. This gave us a profit factor of 0.56. Now when we look at the balance drawdown, 9.33%. And very interesting, when we compare the short trades versus the long trades, you'll see that it won only 38.24%, but on long trades it won 77.27%. Now when we look at the average profit and average loss, our largest profit was 18.20 cents, and our largest loss almost $40. That's almost double. Same for average profit, almost double again. Now remember, when we look at our risk to reward ratio, we know that these figures will not show profitable results for us as a trader. However, what will happen if we combined Dark Venus with other indicators or systems to improve its win rate? The big problem for me with Dark Venus is that it only uses a single simple indicator, the Bollinger Bands. Next, we are going back to MetaTrader 4, and we are going to add some simple technical analysis to see if we can improve the win rate of Dark Venus. So first, I'm just going to draw a trend line, connecting the lower lows. Next, I'm going to just make it a little bit thicker so we can see it a little bit better. And here we have our trend line. So you see that once the trend line broke, we had a big sell-off in the market, and then consolidation. Now, if we look at Wyckoff market cycles, we see that Dark Venus performs well in movements that are sideways movements. So you'll see when it's trading between a range, which are identified by the two lines, then Dark Venus is able to make a good profit. As an example, in week 4, we were able to profit $43.28. Now, what this means is, if you combine manual and automated trading, you're able to get a much higher win rate with this robot. The reason why I say this is the Bollinger Bands on their own are not a sufficient indicator for a strategy, but rather it is an idea that is great for new traders. However, in the long run, its profitability is questionable. Next, I've marked the two big losses that we had with Dark Venus. So the first loss was on default settings. And the reason why we use the stop loss, guys, is we want to preserve the account. The only way that you'll advance in your Forex trading is if you spend enough time in the market to learn the tips and secrets of it. So what I'm going to do moving forward is I'm going to add Dark Venus to my current trading robots. The reason why I'm going to do this is so that we can improve the overall experience that we had using Dark Venus. I hope everyone learned something new these past 4 weeks trading alongside me using the free expert advisor Dark Venus. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. See you next time. Bye.